Ndewo, aha m bụ Ijeoma Kobue, onye na-ewetara gị nkuzi Igbo. Okay? Nke a bụ nkwa m kwere gị inye gị bonus nke asatọ. Ya bụ anyị na-eme ihe onyonyo a igosi ihe ndị ga-enyere gị aka ịmụta Igbo ọsịsọ. We've been doing this video series. It's supposed to be 7 videos in the series to help you, to give you tips that you can actually use to learn Igbo quickly. Okay? Mana, this is a bonus. This is the 8th one. Nchọrọ inye gị extra. Okay, so what is this bonus? The bonus is document your learning. Okay, this one would hardly cost you anything. Okay, you're already on social media somewhere. You're already on YouTube, for instance, where you're watching this, or maybe you're on Facebook, or you're on Twitter or Instagram. Okay, utilize those accounts. Maybe your personal account, or if you don't want to use your personal account, maybe a separate account where you just say documenting my Igbo learning journey. And what do you do with this account? When you're learning Igbo, you record yourself and then you paste it there. Let's say it's YouTube. You record yourself speaking Igbo and you just paste your progress maybe every week or every month or even every day if you have the time. And if you don't even want to show your face, you can just paste the audio recording. Okay? Paste the audio recording and just make the video with pictures or actually type what you are saying. Okay? You can do the same thing with Facebook and Instagram. On Instagram, it doesn't have to be even a video. It can just be like an Instagram post in Igbo. Okay, you can, every sentence you learn, you can just write it out and post it on Instagram daily. You know, like you're learning sentences every day. Every day you post a sentence on Instagram or on Twitter, and that's what you're learning. Just documenting that, it utilizes every part of your brain, and you find that you are learning more, and other people are encouraged that are seeing you. Okay, and you never know where it might lead. Okay, I know people that are doing this, that are learning Igbo, that are even making money from it. Ezinụlọ.com, she is learning Igbo and she's documenting it and she's providing avenues for other people to learn Igbo, linking them to resources. And in this way, she's even making money from it. Okay, you need to check her out, Ezinụlọ.com. Or you want to check Nkammụta. Nkammụta.com is also somebody else that's also learning Igbo and providing resources because of what she has learned and what she has found to be her own struggles. She's also made up her own resources to help other people learn Igbo. So you never know where this journey might lead you. So start documenting your study, your learning on social media. Okay, that's the bonus point I have for you today.